Choosing a thesis topic is one of the most critical steps in your academic journey. Whether you're a graduate, postgraduate, or doctoral student, the right thesis topic can set the stage for a successful research project. Number 1. Understand the requirements. Before you start brainstorming, familiarize yourself with your department's guidelines. Number 2. Understand your interests. Start by identifying your interests within your field of study. Consider the subjects that have intrigued you throughout your coursework. Number 3. Conduct preliminary research. Once you have a few potential topics in mind, conduct preliminary research to gauge their viability. Look for existing literature on these topics to see if there is enough information available. Number 4. Evaluate the feasibility. Aim for a topic that allows for in-depth exploration but is specific enough to be thoroughly covered with the scope of your thesis. Number 5. Seek advice from advisors and peers. Discuss your potential topics with your academic advisors, mentors, and peers. They can provide valuable feedback, suggest resources, and help you refine your ideas. Number 6. Test the feasibility. Consider the practical aspects of your chosen topic. Evaluate whether you can realistically complete the research within the given time frame and budget. Number 7. Formulate a research question. Once you've narrowed down your options, develop a clear and focused research question. A well-defined research question will guide your research and help you stay on track. Ensure your question is specific, measurable, and researchable within the scope of your thesis. Number 8. Stay flexible. Be prepared to refine your topic as you delve deeper into the research. Flexibility is key, as you might discover new information that shifts your focus or reveals more compelling angles. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt your topic as needed. Number 9. Finalize your topic. Once you have identified a potential thesis topic, finalize it by ensuring it meets all criteria: personal interest, researchability, feasibility, and academic value. Draft a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the purpose and direction of your research. Are you struggling with choosing a thesis topic? Visit thesiswriter.help and get the help you need.